Hi, Greg Herman. I'm a Senior Security Partner Strategist at AWS. My biggest heartwarming aspect that I've seen over the years is the way public sector, not just in the US, but outside of the US, are really adopting the cloud. Getting to visit different countries, getting to visit different organizations, seeing both the successes and the pain points that our customers are feeling internationally, and really diving in with them and understanding the intricacies of every different country and region and perspective on cloud computing and on AWS is one of the best things that I've been on board to witness. The purpose of the Security, Compliance, and Acceleration program is really to help support our AWS customers meet differing regulatory security and compliance requirements on AWS. And we're a partner program, and we are going to be a scalable program to support customers globally. We're not just here to help customers today, we're looking into the future to design new capabilities. We try to take a consistent approach both in the US and outside of the US. So generally we break down the verticals into three: financial services, healthcare and life sciences, and then the third is public sector. And you can't go from country to country and assume public sector always means the same thing. You have to think about things like socialized healthcare. So healthcare is now pulled into the public sector in that regard. And so that's why we keep these three verticals loosely based. That way we don't have to adjust our vision every time we look at a new country or a new region. If a customer contacts our team, we're going to meet with them first for a short meeting to evaluate two primary things. One, what are they trying to accomplish? The second question we're trying to answer is, do they have the technical capabilities on AWS to meet the security requirements that they ultimately need to? If they don't understand the regulatory requirements, that's when we'll make a strong recommendation they work with one of our partners. We have a service called AWS Artifact. We have a number of documents in there that support our customers in meeting regulatory requirements. FedRAMP customer packages, ENS packages in Spain. We have GDPR white paper. I mean, we have a host of materials. One of the primary goals of our program is to both reduce cost and reduce time in meeting your regulatory requirements. The ISVs, the SaaS providers, these are partners that develop security solutions of some kind that help customers meet their regulatory security compliance requirements on AWS. But you may need to pull in some of their tooling to either help secure your environment or make it more efficient. Secondly, we have systems integrators, and these systems integrators, they kind of straddle the line between an ISV and a consulting partner. The goal of what they do is to get you sort of a 70-80% solution within a week or two, as opposed to having to build and configure every AWS service, every capability from scratch. And then lastly, we have what we call consulting partners. But generally, our consulting partners fall into two flavors. One, the auditors and assessors. We have a shared responsibility model. The auditors and assessors that join our program, they have a strong foundation in AWS. They understand where AWS's responsibility ends and the customer's responsibility begins. The other half of that consulting partner coin is general consultants. These are generally organizations that will come work with you. They'll help you architect, but they'll also understand the different compliance and regulatory processes, and they will be your guiding light through those processes to usher you through as quickly as possible. There's a number of different benefits. So joining the program, you'll get a badge. You can put it on all your marketing materials. It demonstrates that you are a subject matter expert in security, regulatory, and compliance on AWS. Secondly, you're going to be joining a group of partners that are all like-minded, giving you opportunities to collaborate and innovate and learn new things. Third, you'll get added to our website. Customers can actually come to our website, find you on the website, and contact you directly. If you go to the ATO and AWS program website, it'll walk you through the process of exactly how to join the program. We don't just let any partner join the program. When they join our program, we expect them to be subject matter experts, either in financial services, healthcare, public sector, or some combination of the three. And so there is an onboarding checklist. You'll have to review that checklist, validate that you meet all the requirements, and then submit an application through Partner Central like you would for any other AWS program. Within a couple days, somebody will reach out to have that introductory call with you. We have Alias, particularly if you're talking about outside of the United States. It's global acceleration at Amazon.com. Now, if you're strictly a US-based customer looking for support, you can submit the questionnaire, or we have a separate alias, ATO on AWS at Amazon.com. We've launched in a number of different countries this year already. We have a couple more we're going to be launching in, and then next year we're going to be expanding even further. So ultimately, we plan for this program to be virtually available anywhere on the globe. Additionally, you can expect innovation coming out of our program. Our partners have been constantly evolving, building new technologies, building new capabilities, new tooling to help make customers' lives easier. And so I think you'll be seeing different technologies, different concepts, automated ways to really get through regulatory and compliance requirements and frameworks much more quickly.